Okay, none of these, the things I actually did was no mod. So yeah. Uh, what? Where am I? Wait, is that a flood happening? Hold on, I need to get back in my house. Oh my God, there's water in my house. Is there actually water in my house? What? At least my house is not flooded. But like, how did I get over there? I think the house flooded and I got put over there. Whatever. I'm just gonna watch the news. See what's happening. Wait, what? What? No. The world is flooding. Okay, this is bad. And when I say bad, this is super, super bad. What is that? I don't even know what that is. I hope it's not. Oh my God. Stupid trees. Stupid trees won't let me run. Okay, so I heard this. We need to flee to a village. Or a city. So we need to flee to a village or a city. I don't even know. But I thought the next village over there is 400 miles. Yeah, I ain't doing that. Village over here is only 5 or 6, I think, maybe. But look at the water. Oh my God. This current is strong. This current is strong. Super, super strong. Ugh. Super, super strong. I don't need a bed. What is happening? I think people's beds are literally getting washed away. Ma'am? People's beds are literally getting washed away. Okay, but we need to go up here. But I think the flood's coming up from here. I hope not the flood. It's coming up from here, but I'm just going to trust my gut and go here. Going to the top of the mountain? Probably not a good idea. Maybe, actually, because the water can't get me up here. The water ain't that big, right? Okay. B, hey B. Why get away from me, B? I'm hungry. Come on, village, where are you? Yeah, there's a village nowhere by here. I think there's a village, bruh. My brain is not braining. No, don't trap me like this. Because then I can't get out. But we need to go to a village so, we can alert the other people. And we can also hide. What are you doing, Wolf? But I think we need to go. That's just water. It's just a waterfall, right? Yeah, it's just a waterfall. What is this? I don't know what this is. But I need to get some water. Oh, I'm drowning! Make it up! Make it up! Oh, I'm drowning! Oh my God, I'm freezing cold. I am freezing. Ooh. Oh my God. That was so cold. Now I'm in a snow biome. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess the snow biome is kind of good. I don't even know. No, I don't need to be here at all. No, I don't. There you go. Hey, don't butt me. This is super, super bad. There's water everywhere. I almost just got sucked down by it. The whole entire place is flooded. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. I'm super hungry. There. Ow! Ow, my leg. I think I broke my leg. God, my leg. That hurt so bad. Okay, but that doesn't matter. There's gonna be water everywhere, and plus it's getting night. But yeah. Okay. Hey, rabbit. Oh my God, I'm freezing. I'm freezing. Oh God, this is so bad. I'm freezing. I don't even know what's happening, but there's a huge waterfall. As I was saying though, I need to get some water. Oh, ow, 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 it's so freezing. Okay, it's getting really dark, and I don't think I can go any more days. So I think I'm gonna stay in this little cave, so I don't want to die because of the freeze. But yeah, this is really cold. I don't want to die. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I guess I'll wake up tomorrow, hopefully.